Mga puso, diin man subong inyo pweso ha, abe, pos anay. Kaya ariho, kisala niyang moment nga makaupod ta sa aton programa nga GMA Regional TV Early Edition ng isa sa Best Actresses diri sa showbiz industry. Ladies and gentlemen, from Startup PH, with us is the ever gorgeous, forever beautiful Miss Bea Alonzo. Maayong aga, Bea. Hi!
Maayong aga, Adrian, at maayong aga sa lahat ng kapuso na nanonood ng GMA Regional TV Early Edition. Hello, everyone!
Fresh na fresh ni Miss Bea, di ba? Miss Bea, ito ha, as a kapuso, ano-ano ba ang mga adjustment na ginawa mo and at the same time, the fulfillment that you felt dito sa bago mong tahanan, dito sa amin?
Halos first time ko nakakatrabaho lahat ng tao na nakakasama ko. Siyempre may adjustment period pa yan, but so far, it's been great. They've all been so nice to me. And I've been enjoying.
This time, let's talk about your first primetime project dito sa amin. Sa atin sa Kapuso Network, ang Startup PH. Wow! When the project was offered to you, ano yung una mong naisip, Bea?
It's exciting. It's new to me because I have never done a Korean franchise before. So, bagong-bago siya sa akin. So, it's challenging kasi nga, syempre, marami ng fans ng startup. Kagaya ko, isa na ako doon. And syempre, to create an interpretation or an adaptation of that very famous title already is already a challenge in itself. So, yun yung naisip ko, it's challenging. And lagi kong gustong challenge din yung sarili ko.
Okay.
So, immediately I said yes.
Alden Richards, how is he naman bilang isang katrabaho? 3 adjectives, please, that best describes our Asia's multimedia star.
Ang unang adjective, siguro is that he's hot and fit.
Oh.
He's very fit. Yeah. Pangalawa siguro is that he's very playful. He's very playful on set. And number 3 siguro, he's very religious. He's very spiritual.
Okay.
Matindi talaga yung pananampalataya niya and faith niya.
Nice to know that. That's a different side of Alden naman that we have yet to discover. Ikaw naman, Bea, as Danny, isa kang career-driven woman sa series na ito. Sang aspect sa life ni Danny can Bea best relate to?
That she's a go-getter just like me. I have dreams. I really fight for those dreams and I make sure that whatever happens, I reach for those dreams. And ganon din si Danny. Ginagawa niyang abutin ng mga pangarap na to para sa mga taong mahal niya. Which is her lola. And para ituloy din yung pangarap na pumanaw niya na natatay. So, ganon din ako, I guess, because I love my family so much that I want to be the best person that I can be for them. Initially, kasi to only provide. But now that nagawa na natin yun, mas komportable na ang buhay namin, I want to become the best version of myself for them also. Not only for myself.
Bea, ito ba? How are you going to encourage and inspire people, especially yung young ones natin, the younger generation, to never give up on their dreams and to really work so hard to become successful eventually?
Kasi ang dreams nandyan lang yan eh. Pero if you don't work hard to get those dreams, to get to where you want to be, of course, walang mangyayari. So, alam mo yung journey can be uncomfortable.
Yes.
Mahirap talaga eh. It takes really a lot of hard work to get to where you want to be. And it bugs me kapag sinasabi ng mga tao na, ang swerte ni Bea. Nandiyan siya sa place na yan. Ang swerte ni Bea, nakuha niya lahat to. Hindi lang siya luck eh. Talaga, it's really hard work. I worked hard for it. And so can you. Alam mo yun, kapag ka nagtrabaho ka talaga to get what you want, if you improve on yourself, if you constantly strive to be the best version of yourself, you'll get there. Alam mo, it takes patience, hard work, and also being kind to yourself along the way.
Go ahead, Bea. Invite our kapuso na talagang mahalin. We need to rally behind Startup PH, Bea, and the rest of the cast. Go ahead, invite our kapuso dito sa Western Visayas.
Startup PH, sana po panoorin nyo gabi-gabi. Kasama ko po dito si Alden Richards, Jerry Gonzalez, Gina Alahar, Yasmin Curdy, at maraming pa pong iba. Sana po ay samahan nyo kami at makarelate kayo kung paano namin i-realize yung mga dreams namin dito sa Startup PH.
Nara mga kapuso ha, palanggaon tagid ining Startup PH kay man first ever project ni beautiful Bea Alonzo sa aton Kapuso Network. Syempre, Bea, on behalf of your fans dito sa Western Visayas, thank you so much and congratulations in advance. Bea, good morning!
Salamat!
Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.